Can getting more sleep help with weight loss? Yes, it can. Here are 6 ways that adequate sleep can contribute to weight loss. Sleep deprivation increases levels of ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and decreases levels of leptin, the hormone that signals fullness. This imbalance makes you feel hungrier and less satisfied after eating, leading to overeating. More sleep can help regulate these hormones, reducing cravings and helping you control your appetite. Lack of sleep raises cortisol levels, a stress hormone that can promote fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. Lowering cortisol levels through sufficient sleep can support fat loss. During deep sleep, your body repairs tissues, produces growth hormone, and balances blood sugar levels. Sleep deprivation can slow down your metabolism, making it harder for your body to burn calories efficiently. Sleep-deprived people tend to crave high-calorie, sugary, and fatty foods. This is because sleep loss affects the brain's reward system, making unhealthy foods more appealing. Getting enough sleep can help you make healthier food choices, leading to fewer empty-calorie snacks and better portion control. When you're well-rested, you're more likely to have the energy and motivation to exercise. Conversely, being tired often leads to skipped workouts and more sedentary behavior, which can hinder weight loss efforts. More sleep can boost your energy levels and make it easier to stick to your exercise routine. Sleep is crucial for muscle repair and growth. More sleep helps your body recover faster and promotes muscle growth, which can indirectly help with weight loss. Sleep deprivation affects the brain's prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for decision-making and impulse control. This makes it harder to resist unhealthy foods or stick to a diet plan. Adequate sleep helps improve self-control, making it easier to follow through with healthier choices. So yes, more sleep can help with weight loss. Are you getting enough sleep? Like and subscribe for more quick health bites in plain English.